The White House called me and asked me to be the Sherpa for Judge Gorsuch.
The conservative majority on the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that Donald Trump has absolute immunity for official acts. Huge boost to the felon, former president who is facing multiple trials over his efforts to overturn the 2020 election. Now the New Hampshire Democratic Party is releasing a video holding leading Republican candidate for governor Kelly Ayotte accountable for her role in creating this deeply conservative Supreme Court. This is from her direct work to get Neil Gorsuch, the arch-conservative justice, on the court, a task she was given directly by the Trump administration. Gorsuch has been a key vote in overturning Roe v. Wade and yesterday's immunity decision. Take a listen. Let me know what you think in the comments. I am interested to know.
The White House called me and asked me to be the Sherpa for Judge Gorsuch, someone of a great quality and exceptionally qualified to serve on the Supreme Court.
This is some pretty big breaking news.
This is the biggest abortion case that the Supreme Court would rule on since it overturned Roe v. Wade. The Supreme Court will allow for now emergency abortions to go forward in the state of Idaho, despite a near total statewide ban.
The three most conservative justices, Clarence Thomas, Samuel Alito, and Neil Gorsuch, said the Idaho law is just fine. It ought to be allowed to stay.
To see some of the nation's toughest anti-abortion laws in action, go to Idaho. It is a crime there now. A near total abortion ban became law after the end of Roe.
President Trump has appointed Neil Gorsuch and Brett Kavanaugh to the court, and both had strong backing from anti-abortion groups.
Well, I've been really impressed with him at a personal level in terms of his ethics, his great family man, and also such a keen mind.